Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you tag people on your Instagram posts, so maybe you have taken a picture with them or you just want to notify them that you are posting something, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Instagram mobile app, we need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Search for Instagram, and from the results go ahead and make sure we have the Instagram application updated for everything to work properly. After that, you can finally quit the store. Now of course, let's go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then you can start by tapping right here in the bottom on this plus button. So from there we need to create a post, so find the picture you want to add to your post. Tap on it and then tap on next in the top right corner right here. Of course, you can adjust it before doing that. After the adjustments, you can add filters if you want in the bottom, or you can add effects and music in the top right corner. Anyways, once you're done, tap on next in the bottom right corner, and from here to tag people, just tap on tag people right here, and it says in the bottom tap photo to tag people. So tap on the photo, and just like that you'll be given a search bar in the top. Search for the people you want to tag and then tap on their profiles just like that, and they will be added immediately to the picture. You can even tag multiple people on one photo. Just tap elsewhere on the same picture, and then you'll be given the same search bar in the top. Once you do that, go ahead and search again for their username, and you can of course add as many people and tag as many people on this picture just like that. And if you want to remove any tagged person, just tap on the X next to their profile, and that is basically how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.